Hola, this is Cruz. This is part 2 to my unboxing of my Secret Santa from Jellybean Junction, aka Janice. So I was going through this beautiful bling to go kit that she sent me. It's so cute, and I just abruptly ended the other video. And as soon as I ended it, I was like, I didn't do this biz. So I'm sorry. I'll try to remember to do it now. I was just so excited. I'm like, I need to start a new video so I can keep looking at these. Look at these beautiful jewelry pieces. So what I was explaining was that Jellybean, when she goes to get her like meds, I don't know if it's Walgreens or different, I can't remember what pharmacy it is, but I love this container. It is so adorable. Oh, I didn't get to open this one. She goes and she buys jewelry, like the 99-cent jewelries, or like, no, she gets like free like cash back or something to spend in the store, something like that. Anyway, so what she does is she gets jewelry from there, and it's perfect. Look at these, the charms, because then she uses it in her crafting, which is already gorgeous, and then it's just like amped up with this beautiful jewelry goodness. So thank you so much. Again, I don't know how I'm gonna remember that because it's so beautiful, and I need to start like doing that, like looking for, inexpensive jewelry that would be, beautiful embellishments for crafting. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Okay, so here's this Santa Baby embossed paper. Again, she has like a plastic snowflake in the back. Oh, that's cute. It's a rosette, but it's cut like a snowflake, it looks like. Here's a pink doily, and then here's your Santa face, and it says, a gift for you. And then there's some eyelash trim. She wonky, but she okay. She good. And then this is pretty. This looks like, yeah, height swap. This beautiful Noel die. That is gorgeous. Thank you so much. See, I don't necessarily like Honey Dye's paper collections, but I love like her little things like that. So pretty. Who is this? Oh, me, oh my. Anyway, so she has some crinkle in there, of course. Sorry, guys, I'm not showing you. So there's this beautiful trim or ribbon here. Some different kinds of lace and trim, and lace and trim and thread. This beautiful rose tag. Hold on. I'll be right back. There's an explanation here. Okay, so hope these pre-made shakers will come in handy. Also, love your handwriting. Just cut or punch a hole and tape the shaker on the backside. There are several different themes and colors for all your shaker needs. Note, when attaching a shaker with words, there is a backside, so the words read right. Okay. I had to read it out loud for it to make sense. Not that she don't make sense, just my mind, my head, and my brain sometimes just... Alrighty then, I'm gonna stop leaning on the dang stand. I'm so sorry, guys. Take you guys for a bumpy ride there. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's start backwards. So, look at this. Oh, that's a caviar piece. I've never seen him in person. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So there's like gold and copper and that beautiful like turquoise and the caviar piece. Again, how can I use these? Setting me out for failure. Oh, look at this one. That's so pretty. So they have like different leaves and the different flowers. I love it. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, red, white, and blue with the gold caviar beads again. Oh my gosh, look at this one too. With the holographic stars. There's some birthday theme ones. One has balloon and it says like, happy birthday. Anyway, sorry. And then here's one again. Happy birthday with the paths. I think that's what she means, the words. They're all laying this right way. Girl, of course you did that. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. This beautiful pastel mix with the little beads and the butterflies. Like, you don't understand how hard it is for me to move from one to another because I can just sit here for like minutes and just shake and discover. Oh my gosh. Okay, move it on. Move it right along. Look at this holographic with different shades of pink and gold stars. Oh my gosh, like all my friends' names are coming up. Like Lizzie, maybe Alicia, Love Letter Generation. This is, maybe Judy, because she likes red. And we're doing a swap in February. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And then this one too. Oh my gosh. That is so beautiful. Beautiful. I don't even know if I'm showing you guys, but dude, this is crazy. Snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Look at your little snowman. That is so cute. The snowflake. Girl, I want to see your sequence collection. This says Noel with different, like, the snow and the holly leaves and the holly berries. That is so beautiful. And then Noel again, I think. The red, white, and green traditional. Oh, that is so beautiful. And yay, this one's for me. So there's red and green. Oh, look. So there's red and then there's green, like beads or something. Like tubulars. And then candy canes. And then this one is so for me. Just kidding. This could totally be like, I don't know. I don't want to say it because then I'm going to have to use it. But I love it. This is so beautiful. Oh, they're gold. But you see, I'm excited about the yellow. See how that goes? Anybody else? Just for me. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, Jelly Bean. Just that right there, again, would have been more than enough. Thank you so much, Mama. Okay. Oh my goodness. What the heck? It's like a giant box. Is this a puzzle? Okay, I don't want to guess wrong, but is this a puzzle? Look at this big box. That's Noel and Wish. Can you guys see that? And then the Dollar Tree doilies. Okay, so I'm going to try to unwrap this. Yeah, boy. Alright, I salvaged the packaging so I can put that in my thing. The pom-pom kit makes lots of cool pom-poms all at once. Whoa. Let there be pom-poms. Makes up to 24 pom-poms all at once using our clever bamboo tool. Oh, wow. Holy crap. That is so cool. Okay, so look, it's like a little loom type thing. Clever 2-foot adjustable bamboo pom-pom tool. Make tiny pom-poms or big ones. Make one or up to 24 at one time. Includes 300 yards of yarn to get you started. Make pom-pom trim, scarves, and crafts. Let your imagination go. This is so cool. Thank you so much. Okay, I remember, like, okay, this is when I first started paper crafting. I hadn't even started. I was just hauling, whatever. But it was the plastic pom-pom tools that you can get from Tuesday Morning. I don't think I ever got it to work. I tried a few times and I put her away. But this looks like actually very practical. Thank you so much. Okay, we're back. So remember when I showed you guys the panels on the, it's like she used 4 or 5 different pages of the same. So each panel of the box is a page of paper pretty much, and on the very bottom is another whole sheet of paper. And I actually remember the one she told me to open last. But anyway, yeah, so that's so cute. That's so cool. Okay. I'm gonna have to move some stuff out of the way, so I'll be right back. Yet again. Okay, I'm kind of scared because there's like a creaking door. I thought it was my seat, but there's a creaking door. But every time I move, the door would creak, freaking out a little bit. Hopefully it's just the cat trying to get in the washroom. Ah, why are you running away? Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Okay. Okay, let's talk. So, on one side of town, on one side of the house, like I told you, every time I move, like I heard a creak, and I was like, why is it synchronized? And then I paused, and then I was like, I came to tell you guys that, and then one of the cats, we have 2 cats, one of the cats like dashed on the other side of me, like out of sight, and I was like, ah. So then, right when the cat ran, I looked up, and my daughter was in the hallway, and I was like, ah. Oh my gosh, seriously. I'm too much of a fraidy cat to handle this type of... Nothing, it's nothing, it was just... The other naughty kitty that was trying to go into the washroom earlier, stay in there. I kicked him out. Not literally kicked, okay, so don't come for me. But I had like shoot him out when I left. but I left it, you know, cracked so I can hear when the stuff was finished, you know, drying. And he was just, when I opened the door, he came out from behind the door. I was like, nah. Anyway, just a lot of math tonight. Okay, let's try to open this. Gorgeousness. Again, I showed you guys in the other video the beautiful tissue, the beautiful Dollar Tree doily. It says Mary in this glittered felt, and then she has this tubular little goodie like bowl with a candy cane. It says may your days be merry and bright, and it says open me last please. Okay, let me just I'm so sorry. But that camera worked though. Put that up there. Okay, maybe save the Mary. Okay. What is it? What is it? Oh my. Holy smokes. Okay, so first I saw this. So I'm already in love because she's yellow and gold and white and beautiful flowers. And now look at this. Cruce's Book of Bling. Okay, hold on. So, oh my gosh. I need to get into it. Okay, hold on. Am I recording? Yes, okay. Why am I singing the wedding march? I don't know. I don't know, I'm such a weirdo. Okay, so, oh, so cool. So she used an actual, like, paper folder, and she just embellished it, which is beautiful and brilliant and beautiful and perfect. And I keep saying beautiful because it's beautiful. Look at all the different jammies, and look at this beautiful embellishment. All of this goodness. Okay. Oh, look. Oh, this is similar. The one I used today, or with the project I shared today, was this one. It's different. Never mind. Mine is more mustardy yellow. Hers is more like butterscotch. Oh my gosh. Okay, my hand is going numb literally holding it. Okay. Holy. Oh my gosh. I almost cursed. Okay, so sorry. Look at this beautiful paper she has in the background. Yellow and yellow. Different colors in there too, but yellow is my favorite if you guys don't know. Oh my gosh, so this is a David Totera beaded applique. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. David Totera again. Gorgeous. Why is it coming out? Oh, it's stuck on the paper. It's stuck on the paper. It's stuck on the paper. I got it. Okay. No, why'd you tear it? Dumb butt. Okay, just try and light the paper. Oh, look. Okay, so this beautiful gem. Wow, that is so cute. I love that yellow. Is this from Family Dollar, Dollar General? I can't remember. I don't know. Anyway, but look at these. So January is garnet, February is amethyst, March is aquamarine, April is diamond, May is emerald, June is pearl, July ruby, August peridot, September sapphire, October opal, November citrine, and December blue topaz. That is so beautiful. Thank you so much. I love it. I used to work in a jewelry store many months ago, and I used to have them all memorized, and yeah, my memory is one of my biggest enemies right now, so, and I'm so glad that I have this like little chart now. Thank you so much. But look at this ridiculousness. So this lady decided to give me every Jemmy created. Oh, I don't have these. Look at this. Gorgeous. She gave me like two little sheets of that in one pocket. She gave me these beautiful pink, mintyish blue, white, red, hot pink, these beautiful pink and gemmy ones, and these alternating pearl and clear ones. Oh my gosh. And like some of them she gave me, no, that was not double. Okay, never mind. I'm just seeing double. But like this one she did. Oh my gosh. Oh yes, these are so pretty. These like floral like gem and pearl ones. Oh my goodness. These different size. Can you see that different color? Clear pink, hot pink. These purple and flatback pearl, purple squares. Flatback pearl. Purple's her favorite color. Oh my gosh. No wonder. Never mind. I'll email you later. And I'll tell you. Girl, you did so much. Too much. And I love it all though. This beautiful, oh, the multicolor one. That's so pretty. And then here she put some of these different, like, applique ones. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. And then here, these beautiful ones. I love these. Stop it. Look at this. I thought my little, you know, photo book of jammies was this is like next level. But again, everything Jelly Bean. I love that. Charcoal looking ones. Everything Jelly Bean does is, of course, next level. Here are some like gemstone looking ones. Square cut with the flatback pearlies. Oh, these are so cute. Like iridescent. So pretty. Thank you so much, Jelly Bean. But wait, there's more. Here are these beautiful hearts. I can't really see because there's so much in the background. Look at these. So pretty. I was like, who is my secret Santa? And then I started thinking, oh my gosh, am I the one that person flaked on? And I think I texted Alicia, well, I'm in 510, and I was like, if it was me, look at this beautiful, like, they don't have to make me anything, it's okay, don't worry about it, blah, blah, blah. But she never said anything, so I was like, did she say something? Did she not say anything because it was me? And then I started feeling guilty, like, not for the flaker, of course, but, like, for other people that were trying to make, for, you know, Heather and anybody else that was, you know, gonna send something, but it's not me. But still, I feel so bad for the person for that. The person was like, oh, look at these beautiful gems, the dark purple and light purple. That's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm not gonna take it out. Purple, blue, pink. See that? And then here's different shades and sizes of pink gemmies. There's some smaller pink ones down here. Oh, sorry. Can you see that? Okay. Stop it. Okay. Oh, I love these. Oh, look at that. Ooh, pearlescent pink, girl. Nail polish in that color too. Thanks. Not literally. Like, don't go and try to look for that. I'm just saying. Look at these beautiful. Ooh, those look like garnets. Look at that color. Oh, look at her trying to remember. Do you remember? Oh my gosh. So, anyway, no. Okay, so a family member, when I was working in the jewelry store, I was like, yeah, come in and I'll get you something with your birthstone for your birthday. So this person picked out what we thought was the garnet ring. Beautiful, had garnet and then like diamonds or whatever. I was going to put it on layaway there at where I worked and then, you know, pay it off her. And so when I showed my boss, she's like, that isn't garnet, that's ruby. And I was like, oh. So I asked the family member, I said, it's actually not garnet, it's ruby. Do you want me to like replace it with she can replace the stone, blah blah blah. And I didn't care one way or another, but it would have been cheaper. Obviously garnet isn't as precious as our rubies are. And this person was like, nah, it's okay. I was like, okay. But anyway, look at these different color. Ooh, so that's a funny story. And I learned real quick the difference between a ruby and a garnet. I had just started working there, so it was funny. And the person was my mom. Look at the red. Ooh, pretty. Oh my gosh. And then here are these. Oh yeah, I have time. Look at this. Unless there's a chapter 2. Oh my gosh. I can see in the back. Okay. Moving right along. Okay, so here are the iridescent ones. Here's some of the diamond wrap. Here's these beautiful green ones. Look at that. And then here's some mini yellow ones. She like color coordinated this too, kind of like by size and shape. Like the hearts page was one previous. Anyway, small yellow, regular yellow, like the square. I love that. The yellow. Oh my gosh, I love this idea. Oh my gosh. Okay. Here are these gorgeous fall colors. I love them. I love them. Oh my gosh, I was gonna do this, you know, finish a few things and then go to bed. Ah, I'm too excited. Okay, so there's the same colors right here with smaller beads. And then here are these, like shades of blue, pink, green, and clear. Here's some clear medium ones, like larger, and then some like clear ones. These are iridescent, I think. Clear, and then here are these multicolor, and multicolor. Girl, do you have anything? Oh, and they're all like on pop dots. Cool. Do you have anything left for you? Maybe not. Oh my gosh. Vintage craft stickers are so pretty. Mmm, tasty. Peanut butter sandwich. Natural food. Thank you so much. Now I want a peanut butter sandwich. Look at these gigantic. These are from Walmart, right? Well, I have some similar to this. I don't know if I have this size. No, I don't actually. Well, no. I have one that has different sizes. It might have this big. Anyway, it doesn't matter. These are beautiful holographic. Jelly bean! Oh my gosh, you worked so hard on all of this. I can tell because first of all, you're jelly bean. Second of all, look at all the beauty you created and all the goodies you sent me and all the time you took to wrap everything so beautifully and package it. Like it was like nothing shifted because it was jam-packed, if you guys could tell. I am so blessed to have you in my life. You know I love you so much, and thank you so much for everything, especially the goodies that you handmade. Of course, those are my favorite. All the different decorations and everything you made me, and all the, you know, crafty tools and that I'm gonna need, that you know I need. Thank you so much. And yeah, thank you so much for this bling book. It is incredible, and it's an inspiration to make some more, maybe. I don't know. It's amazing. I mean, it's an inspiration for sure, but I don't know if I'm gonna make, I don't know if I have enough supplies to like, but maybe it doesn't have to be all bling. Maybe it can be like embellishments or something. Like it can be bling or stickers or cut aparts. Like, this is reinventing the pocket letter. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's a pocket envelope. No, it's a pocket letter folder. Okay, oh my gosh, thank you so much. I love you so much, Jelly Bean. I love it all. Oh my gosh, and especially all the flowers, especially everything. I can't even especially anything, because the moment I'm like, I love this the most in my mind, or I love this the most, and I remember the flowers and the rosettes you made, and the amazing, incredible chunky charms she made me. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Jelly Bean. I'm about to email you right now and get after you, and thank you profusely, because nothing will ever be enough to thank you for all of this. Oh my gosh. Basically, this was our swap. This is like Secret Santa and a swap on one. Just saying. But thank you so much, sweetheart. I love you so much. I hope you know how much. And you guys, like I said, whether you know Miss Jellybean, Miss Janice or not, or know of her, if you don't, go check her out because you're missing out, obviously. If you do, just give her extra love. And, of course, extra prayers for her right now as she's recuperating. And, or trying to recuperate. Yeah. So just keep her in your prayers, please. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. I can't wait to re-look at everything else again. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you again, Jellybean. I love you so much. Bye.